Want to record professional webcam videos without installing complicated recording software? VEED lets you capture your webcam, microphone, and screen directly through its online recording tools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to record webcam videos with VEED in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into VEED and open the online recording tool. Choose the option for recording your webcam to start a new camera recording. Depending on the current VEED interface, the webcam recorder may be available from the recording tools or directly within the editor. Next, allow VEED to access your camera and microphone when your browser asks for permission. Then check that the correct webcam and microphone are selected. Take a moment to make sure your camera preview looks clear and your microphone is picking up your voice. Now choose how you want to record. You can capture just your webcam or combine your camera with your screen when you want to demonstrate something while appearing on camera. Finally, enhance your webcam video with subtitles, text, background music, or other editing tools if needed. When everything looks good, click Export to create your finished video. So your webcam recording is now ready to share, and that's how to record webcam videos with VEED. Open the webcam recorder, allow camera and microphone access, choose your recording setup, record your presentation, review the footage, and export the finished video. This is a simple way to create tutorials, presentations, video messages, and other camera-based content directly from your browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.